hacer caso. Hacer caso. Again, we have hacer. This is phrase number 4. We have only 5. So this is almost the end. Hacer caso. What does this mean? Caso can mean case. You know, you're talking about a case, maybe. You know, there's a very popular show named Caso Cerrado. I don't know if you've heard about it, because it's very popular in the Spanish world. I don't watch that, but it's quite funny. It's quite funny. Caso cerrado, closed case. But anyways, hacer caso, we're not talking about a case. We're not talking about to do or to make something, because hacer, that's what it means. We are talking about paying attention and listening to someone. Okay? You just want, this phrase is about, paying attention. If you want someone to pay attention, you can use this phrase. If you're not paying attention, or you don't want to do what the other person is saying, you can use this. Or if you're not listening, as in, I really don't care what you're saying, you can use this phrase. Or the opposite, if you care, right? If you care, you will listen to the person. So it can be used in a negative way or positive way. For example, hazme caso. Just like that. It can be used by itself as well as an expression. And hazme caso means listen to me or pay attention to me. So if someone is not paying attention to you, you can use this to just say, hey, listen to me, or pay attention, to me, because this is what I'm saying is important. Hazme caso, listen to me, pay attention to me. Obviously, I missed the exclamation mark here, but that's what this phrase means. Very common expression that people use all the time. Okay, the next example. Te voy a hacer caso, me abrigaré. Te voy a hacer caso, me abrigaré. So what are we talking about here? We are talking about this. I'll listen to you. I'll bundle up, okay? So a lot of people, moms usually say, put a sweater on. It's cold outside. So you should pay attention to that. You should listen to your mom, of course. So hacer caso is a great phrase for for that situation. Te voy is like this is a common thing to say that means I will. Okay, I will. And it's actually the whole phrase te voy a. It means I will do something. We don't know what in this situation. Hacer caso. Okay, I will listen to you. Okay, te voy a hacer caso. And we're using te because we're referring to the person. You're listening, or you will listen to the person. So it's similar to saying you. Te, you. Similar to that. Now, I will is like saying yo voy. Okay? But we don't need yo there. We just need to say te voy. I will, similar to saying I will something to you, right? Hacer caso. Te voy a hacer caso. I will listen to you. You could obviously say yo te voy a hacer caso. So that's like you're saying all the words, but you don't need to say yo. Okay? You can just say te voy a hacer caso. And obviously, te voy a, it's very flexible. You can say, for example, te voy a regalar algo. I'm going to give you a present. Even though te voy sometimes means I will, sometimes it's like I'm going to, okay? I'm going to, dot, dot, dot. To you in this case, if I say te voy a regalar algo, for example, really quickly, I'm just going to show you. Te voy a regalar algo. Just let me do this. Te voy a regalar algo. It could mean I will give you a present. I will give you a present. Okay? Or I'm going to give you a present. Okay, so either one, it's similar to saying that. Te voy a is a very good phrase. So, for example, I could also say te voy a llevar al cine. I'm going to, or I'll take you to the movies. Okay? Okay, so this phrase is very helpful. Te voy a, okay? But in this case, we're talking about hacer caso. Te voy a hacer caso. I will listen to you. Or I'll listen to you. I listen to you. Okay? Me abrigaré. Me abrigaré. This means I'll bundle up. Okay? It's cold outside. Bundle up. Me abrigaré. Abrigar. This comes from the verb abrigar. Sounds like Portuguese a little bit. Sounds like you're saying obrigado or obrigada. But we're not talking about that. It's not Portuguese. We're talking about abrigar, Spanish. What does it mean? Abrigar means to bundle up. Yo me abrigo. Tú te abrigas. Él se abriga, and so on. So it's a great verb as well.